Do you want to learn how to use AI Search Grader by Mangools? In this video, I'll show you how to use it. So let's get to it. So what this tool does is it helps you to analyze your brand's performance, visibility, rankings in different AI search engines like ChatGPT, Claude, etc. So all you need to do is head over to this page. There's a link in the description. You can go through that and follow along with this tutorial. So over here, you need to type your brand name. It could be a product or service, and there's a description that you can add. Or you can just press on this auto suggest, that also works. So what I'm going to do is put one of their products here, that is KW Finder, their SEO tool, keyword research. Once done, on the right hand side, you'll find this grade my brand button. Click on it. And it's going to analyze your brand's AI visibility. It's going to connect to the LLMs. And there you go. The KW Finder is visible in 97% of the analyzed prompts. It also shows you the average position of it. So it's 7.5 and you rank third among top 20 brands in aggregate results. You also get an AI search score on the right hand side, the 89. If you scroll down, you'll also get these brand perception, Perplexity, Llama, DeepSeek, Grok, etc. Scroll more down and you'll see analyzed prompts. These prompts were added in these AI tools like Perplexity, DeepSeek, and you also see the average ranking position of your brand across multiple prompt runs, the visibility, etc. If we scroll down more, you'll find this aggregated results. The first and second place is taken by the Google Keyword Planner and Uber Suggest. Now you can also track your AI visibility for free. It's their new tool, this AI Search Watcher. I'll make a new video on it, but for now, this is how to use the AI Search Grader. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment, and on the right hand side, you can find more Mangools related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.